Solve the inequality. Give the solution set in both interval and graph forms. Here we have the inequality statement. Negative 4/7 x is greater than negative 16. We want to isolate x, and I'm going to do that by multiplying both sides by the reciprocal of negative 4/7, which is a negative 7/4. Here we go. So a negative 7/4 times the left-hand side. And we'll do a negative 7/4 times the right-hand side as well. I'm going to write that negative 16 as a negative 16 over 1 so I can clearly see the numerator and denominator values. And when we multiply both sides by a negative quantity, we need to remember to switch the direction of that inequality symbol. On the left, multiplying those reciprocals cancel out to 1 or 1x. I'm just going to write that as x is less than. On the right, let's cancel our common factors before multiplying. 4 goes into itself once, into 16 4 times, or you might say into negative 16 a negative 4 times. Multiplying in the numerator, we get a positive 28, in the denominator 1, and 28 over 1 is just 28. So our answer is going to include all values x that are less than 28. Let's write that in interval form as the solution set includes values from back here in the direction of negative infinity up to 28, not inclusive. That's a strict less than symbol. Now for the graph form of the solution, let's just identify the value 28 on this number line. 28 is not included, so we'll use a parenthesis there. And bold the arrow to the left with a bold arrow on the left indicating values from negative infinity up to 28.